Create a beautiful and functional garden yard can enhance the aesthetics of your outdoor space while providing a relaxing and enjoyable environment. Here are various ideas to transform your garden yard into a serene and inviting area. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Design and create flower beds with a variety of colors, flowers, mixing annuals of perennials for continuous blooms throughout the seasons. Outline pathways or borders with low growing flowers shrubs to add definition and visually interested. Install rice beds or containers for growing herbs, vegetables, fruits, allowing easy access, efficient garden. Enhance the garden visually appeal with the sculptures, decorative statements, artist installation that complement in the natural surrounding. Here are some ideas about how to decorate our garden. So in this video you can see beautiful and greenery garden ideas. So please subscribe our channel for these ideas and visit my channel about ideas decoration to garden home. Create a mixing of plants that offer seasonal interest, including flowering plants to vibrant displays and evergreens for year-round appeal. Plant for plant diversity, considering and colors, textures, and highlight to create a visually engaging light indexing landscape. By combining these ideas and adapting them to suit your performance and available space, you can create a garden yard that's not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and harmonious with the nature. Experiment with the different elements and enjoy the process of cultivating your unique garden sanctuary. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interesting videos. And this video share to your friends. Take care. Bye bye.